Look at this website. It's look stunning with all the things available, tutorials, images, and all the information about its service. So let me tell you a secret. I have created and generated this website with the help of AI in just few seconds. Yes, this is true. So this tool name is the Butternut.ai, and with the help of you can build your dream website in few seconds without any coding. So this platform is mind blowing for all the people who don't know how to create website, but they have the expression to create their website. So you can do that now with this AI tool here. All you need to just add your business name and add the prompt describing your business, and done, your website will be ready here. Then after that, you can add new pages, you can connect with your custom domain. If something is not happy with it, you can just click here on the edit option and you can edit the page. For example, if I click here on the edit, you can see this is the edit page. I can do all the stuff and the configuration. I want to change the text here on this headline, I can change it. I want to change this image or regenerate, I can do that. For example, let me click here on the regenerate image with AI, and now let me add the image of a dancing girl. Okay, so because this is the service about a dancing club. Okay, so I will add the dancing girl, click on the add, and now it will regenerate the image based on my prompt. So we have to wait a few seconds, and now boom, we got our desired image here. Same thing we can do with all these images, with all these headings, text, all this stuff here. With the help we can also with the help of AI, we can also add a new section here. Click here on the add section, or just simply click here with the build with AI. Now again, you have to wait a little more few seconds till this AI is generating the section here, and now we got this section here. We can also add, you can see this is the AI assistant. If you want more brief things or more sections or more things, we have to just talk with the AI and give the command, and it is going to generate here. Okay, so this is the Butternut.ai, and I'm really surprised with the working and how it is generating the website in so much fast speed. So let me give you the few more benefits of using this AI tool. First of all, the website it is going to generate will be the web and the mobile responsive. Then it will be the AI powered. You can customize every part and every section of this website. There's also the SEO optimization section available, so you will be ensured that your website is going to rank on the Google and the other search engines as well. Then after that, you don't have or don't need any hosting or the maintenance, because the website is going to be hosted on the Butternut AI platform itself, and its hosting is the fast and good. Then you can see the UX and the design is good. You can do the copywriting with the AI. It is SEO optimized, and the fully developed website without coding you have just created with the help of this AI. Okay, so right now Butternut.ai is available just starting from the just $59, and it is recently launched on the AppSumo. If you get its lifetime deal, it will be the good enough for you if you want to launch your website. There's so many good things you can do with the help of AI without coding, without efforts, without headache. How you are going to design the website with managing all the UI and the UX things here. Okay, so it has the multiple tier plans available. In this single tier one, starting from the $59, you can only launch one live website and connect with to one custom domain here. You will get the 10 GB hosting per site, 10 AI blog post per month. This is per month. Okay, then 200 AI agent queries per month, and this is agent queries will help you to develop and generate your website in the more easy and your more objective filling way. Okay, then in the tier 2 plan, you will get this some extra features as well, like the WhatsApp integration and the custom code embedding feature. This is the also a good thing. If you want to add the custom codes for the analytics, for the tracking, then you need this custom code to add even the CSS, give you some custom look to your website. Okay, so if you want these two extra features and the extra website credits, then I think you should go with the tier 2 and the higher plans. Okay, so now let me give you a demo of this tool. So once you got its lifetime deal, you have to just simply get to here on the generate section, and you have to add give the business name and the keywords, your prompt to describe the business, and it will regenerate your business here. Okay, so that's how simple it is, and I have showed you how your website will look like, how you can easily customize. Then this is the theme. If you want to change with the color and the text, you can do it from here. And still you need tutorial. You can click here on the tutorial part, and the tutorial section will show you the more about how you can generate using this platform. Okay, so if you want to check out this butternut.ai, you can follow the link given in the description and get its lifetime deal. And if you want a detailed tutorial video on the Butternut, let me also know in the comments. I will give you detailed tutorial with the step-by-step action and the learning in that video. So let me know in the comments. Make sure to hit the like video and subscribe this channel to stay updated. Bye bye, take care, and I will see you in the next one.